Alright folks, we're getting ready for the demolition derby here. Getting everybody lined up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Oh, fuck! Woo! Went right up on top of them. They're starting to spread it out a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, that does not sound good, folks. Oh, he's taking the long approach. They're getting a run at it. That's a 3/4 race cam. Oh yeah. Here comes the T-Bird. Going a little slow. Here we go. Yeah, that was a hard hit. Oh, he got fucked up. Oh man, he was all the way in the back seat. Number 48. I'm surprised he's not dead. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at the rear end of 48. There's just nothing left of it. Oh, number 11, Go-Getter. He was trying to get a run at it. He lost drive. He's in neutral. Oh, just absolute carnage. Come on, Go-Getter. Get a fucking run at her, buddy. Get a run at her. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, buddy just told him he can't go that way. What the fuck? Disqualified or something? What the fuck was that bullshit? What happened, bud? They disqualified the Go-Getters, boys. And I'm surprised number 48's still in it. With half a fucking car left. Unbelievable.
He only needs half a car.
Oh my goodness. This guy didn't like the noise about his engine, so he told him to shut her down. He must have a headache. Unbelievable.
The door's gone.
Let them go. They should go into the center. Unbelievable. 48 still going. Unbelievable.
He started out as a full-size sedan.
Oh, the big hit. Woo! That's all they got left, folks. Oh my goodness. Just nothing left of 48. Oh! 48 still going though. Woo! Unbelievable. '48's winning this place.
Oh, someone's going to
Oh no, 48. 48's dead in the water. It's up to 44 and 58 now.
Cardboard's come right out of his hole.
Hey, number 58 car. That's where he stole the sign from. Was Highway 58.
Jeff Mark Sr. 58.
Oh, there's just nothing left of it. Get a run at him. Oh, he's not going to fit through there.
Buddy wants to hit.
They should.
All the way around.
Now they hunt for each
Yeah, yeah. They should just meet in the center out there.
I think they're trying to.
Yeah. Meet out in the clear. Oh, he's fucked. Oh no. Oh.
One more shot at it.
Ja. They don't have much left, folks. They don't have much left now.
Missed him.
Oh,
Just refuses to die.
oh yeah.
There we go.
Come on, get a run at her. Get a run at her. Woo! Come on.
Someone's got to do some full kids.
Oh yeah. Just looking at which one's smoking.
Pushing the one with the traffic sign there up against something because it's really smoking good right anyway.
Yeah, hit him in the front.
I'd pin him up, let him smoke his there. You see? I'd pin him up and let him smoke his trans.
Whoever punctures the gas tank first.
Yeah, pretty
Yeah.
much.
No, they got to go until somebody dies.
Oh, one of them got whiplash now,
Oh yeah.
I'm going.
Oh yeah. 44. We have a winner, I think. Oh my goodness, he's still moving. Oh boys. I think 44 is our winner.
Done.
Yep. Woo! There's our winner. So we're just getting ready for the second demolition derby here, folks. Leaving the fucking parking lot of Humberston. That was a good event, folks. See you later.